Good morning, traders. I don't see Hal this morning on Discord. So his power must be out. I can keep Annie on watch. RNXT looking good still. Still holding my BLIN. It held that 200 day like I was expecting, so we'll see if it can continue to run or not. RHE. Put that on the watch list. I got A-pop actually looks pretty good. Not this pre-market after hours nonsense here, but on the daily chart it looks good. Let's look at SPY. So SPY pulling back in pre-market, but still pretty bullish. Yeah, QQQ, same thing. Alright. Good morning, One Life. Good morning, Lori. I don't know what you should trade yet. There's actually quite a bit of possibilities, but until 30 minutes after the market opens, I don't know, because I'm not touching anything. I'm not doing it. Not doing it today. Y'all are probably like, yeah, right, dude. You say that all the time. But I'm not. I'm not trading the first 30 minutes. I don't care what happens. I ain't doing it. So SON there. CIU, BBIG. All of these got volume, so I'm going to go through all of these. Oh, there it is. There's my pre-market scanner. Oh, that must have been the one I just used. Alright, let's go through here. Ooh, BBIG. Well, like it's selling off pretty hard. This has got some hype with Reddit traders and stuff. I'm going to keep it on watch just to see if they start pumping it. SONN's got news, but it's garbage news. Yeah, I don't like it at all. I'm going to take it off. ZEV partnership agreement with Lightning e-motors for electric school buses. Little EV there, a little bit higher float, but it's got an uptrend. See, they got top line data from phase 2. Oh, let's see. First positive cognitive test. Oh, and this is for Alzheimer's. Yeah, that's why this is going up. That's pretty great news there. SYTAW, I don't like that. I don't care about KPLT. Yeah, so let's go with that list. It's a pretty good list for now. So, a lot to kind of watch here at the bell. It's the market watch looking, it's pretty mixed too. I'm interested in this guy because it's only been IPO for 2 days and it's went straight up so far, but it is possibly due for a pullback. But we'll see. Maybe they IPO'd lower than people expected. Yeah, I'm not touching anything right out the gate. Oh, I should keep. Well, I might be selling BLIN out the gate if it cracks any lower. CWLT I like too. I'm gonna put that on the watch. Next TLB I like as well for possible breakouts. AATC. Put that on the watch too. Just get my scanners all ready here. So we'll be ready to go. PALI, where did that one pop up at? PLI, it's pretty low float. I just announced a price target of 7. It's very, I don't know where this one showed up at, where I clicked on it at, but I don't like it's below the 200. However, it's opening right at the 50, so if it can break over 350, yeah, 350, it could run to that 650. It's not my favorite play, but I'll keep an eye on it. There's too many lines. Get rid of some of these lines here. All right. She's selling off a little bit. There's the trend line on Pally. I have all the indicators. Now this is the 200 day. And then the purple is the 40 double EMA, and the 10 is the adaptive 10 adaptive EMA, and then this weird little orange one's the VWAP. I just put it back on there just cause. I don't really think I need the VWAP with the purple and the 10, but you know, it has its merits. Yeah, an adaptive EMA, it just moves a little tighter. Like the exponential, you know, is calculated very specifically. So the adaptive is calculated in a way where it will move more with the flow of the candles, especially the 10-day, the way I put it. And then that's only on the 5-minute chart. I haven't used it too much on anything but the 5-minute chart. But you can see that gray line, that's the 10 adaptive. It pretty much stays at the bottom of the candles unless they drop below it, and then they stay right at the top. So they just stay right with it. So I basically use it to look for the crossover and for holding positions longer, because if they're holding up the 10-day, you know, you can see they continue to climb. They usually get bullish moves. So just a personal preference. I mean, you could take the regular EMA and turn it close to this by changing the days probably. You could probably do like a 17 EMA and it would get close to the 10 adaptive. It's it's just different indicators that do the same thing basically. I just customized the 40 double EMA and the 10 adaptive to where they would run as close to the candles as possible. And it wasn't specifically that I wanted to use those. Those are just the ones that matched exactly what I was trying to do. So we'll see. All right, we got a minute here, guys. I'm going to go take my quick little pre-break, and then we'll get going. I'm not trading anything at market open anyway. But yeah, we'll see. What can we put it on here? Put on A-pop. I think A-pop might pop. So give me a minute or two. I'll be right back. Let's see, A-Pop is getting a little pop here out the gate. A little one. And he looks like it's going to sell off today. REH popping up a little bit. ZEV popping. Pally's trying to pop. SQL trying to get back above that uptrend. XTLB maybe close to moving too. SYTA, let's throw that up there. It's a pretty low float. SSY, that looks like it might be about to break that triangle. Alright. Oh yeah, BBIG getting killed. I'm going to take BBIG off. RNXT with a little double bottom there possibly. ZEV. I like ZEV. I'd like to see ZEV come down a little more. Looks like the overall market's kind of indecisive here at the beginning of the open. The SPY actually dumped a little bit. CEV still holding up. Let's see. Robinhood should get banned. They're garbage. Good morning, Rick. Good morning, Lauren. Oh boy. The old ex, after 10 years, coming back. ZEV is going to try to test 10 here. There it goes. Got to break that 1025, make a new high a day. Oh, it's going to break right through it. Very nice move there so far. So what was that? It was close to that trend line. Is that Pally? Yeah, Pally's right on the trend line. That's garbage news though. NIX in this little triangle. And they had news yesterday. Yeah, they got the FDA clearance. PCMB popping up a little bit. Works popping up a little bit too. A couple of things popping up. Yeah, Zev pulling back there a little bit after hitting 1050. I said if Zev could come back down some, like to that $9.50 or $9 area, I would take an entry on it. This is the endpoint one. But a lot of selling pressure. Looks like it's going to have a sell-off. 3 wicks so far in a row. Our NXT, that is pulling back some more. I think that's done today. I'm going to take that off the watch list. RHE. Got a lot of resistance at 1150, but if it could break that, it could run. I'm going to take a shot on this. If this candle pushes over the top of these bodies, this could start running. The very low float, 2 RHE is super low float. Very nice so far. And we're getting halted. Damn, I nailed that. Woo! Nailed that within a split second. Yeah, boy. Good morning, Sunny Savage. Good morning, Elvis. Broke your thumb. Had to call into work. Smashing that like button. Already 8 likes. Nice job, guys. Appreciate that. JXZN. This is Thinkorswim. This is TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. Let me throw JXZN on here. So I can take a look at it. I like a low float IPO. What is it? JZXN. JZXN. There we go. 20 million shares. Doesn't have any This doesn't look like an IPO. Well, I mean, yeah, it IPO'd in May. It is very low. Just hit a low year at 321, but I don't know. There's just no volume on it. It's got to get volume. If it could get volume, it definitely could move, but let's see. When do we get halted here? Well, they're not telling us. Nah, no worries. I mean, it is very low. It is very cheap. So, if it IPO'd, let's see where this candle would have opened. Yeah, so it IPO'd at $45 and then sold off and, just hit a low a year. Let's see, what was the earnings? Earnings are up. So, I mean, if it can find some support, I don't like it because it's below all EMAs, but with that IPO opening up so high, it's going to take some movement to get it up there. It's not bad. It's just it doesn't have any volume right at the moment either. It's going to have to get some reason for people to buy it, but it's getting cheap enough where that may be a good reason for people to buy it. How much more you got out of this halt? No problem, Sonny. Morning, Donnell. So I have multiple scanners. Hal is working on a bunch of scanners for us for the Framework Fortune community, but it's all in the scanners on Thinkorswim. All this over here that you see, this is Hal's low float swing trade scanner, which RHE happened to be on. And then I use the top 10% NASDAQ gainer, but that one will show you higher floats and higher price stocks. So I changed it and made it to a percent gainer where it only shows pretty low float stocks. But I have several scanners, probably like 5. I need to delete some of them. But I do have a video on those scanner setups if you want that. Let me see if I can go find it real quick. I just got to keep my eye on RHE because I don't know what it's going to do out of this halt. Should be getting ready to come out here soon. Alright, there's one of the scanner videos. That'll show you some of them. What do you mean? As there more opportunity for... Woo, nice gap up there. Let's see if this keeps pushing. Hold on, I'll hold that question for a second. You gonna keep pushing or not? So would I get in at 1127? Well, I'm gonna put a stop loss at 11. See 11. How far are you gonna pull back to? That is about 1143. Glad I didn't put that stop loss in there yet. But I am going to put one above my entry, so if it does start dipping crazy, I'll be at least in some of the profit. Go 11.39 for now. Actually, pull that down a little bit more. But yeah, Sonny, are you talking about opportunities as far as being a part of the channel and the company? Is that what you're asking about? Oh yeah, we're about to push some more here. Very possibly, if this candle breaks over the top of those bodies. So if this candle breaks 12.25, we should see another push. If not, it's going to come back down. Oh yeah, yeah. There we have the website frameworkfortune.com. There's no cap to members. It is paid subscription, but if you pay for the whole year, it's $2 a month. So, and then of course we've got all that. We just got to get more of our followers, our peoples on there. We've got some of you guys on there, but still waiting for a bunch more of you to come on. Matter of fact, you know what? Let's give out a free membership today to the website. How about a 6-month free membership for somebody? We'll do that here in just a little bit, as soon as I get done trading. I wrote it down so I don't forget. If I do forget, y'all remind me, because I still might forget. Alright, let's see what else we got going on. I'm just going to let this ride for the moment. I mean, it's trying to hold the support, those indicators. It's holding the VWAP right now, so we'll take a look around at what else might be popping up. Oh boy. Pally giving up pretty hard there. I'm going to keep on watching a little bit longer. Annie pulling back. We're struggling with that $12 area. Let's see, we're going to push for that 12.25. Getting close. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was close. That was a little push to 11.25, but don't pull back. We need to see at least stay above 12. See, what I'm concerned is this is a downtrend confirming right here. Zev with a very nice pullback. Let's see, where are we at here? Right on that 200-day. It's almost back. RHE still holding up. I just got stopped out on RAG, so a little $4 profit. It could not break. So this downtrend did confirm. You see that indecision candle followed by that bearish engulfing. So I thought I was going to get a little bit more, but that's all right. I'll take the small win. How's that one doing? Interesting. That one's still going sideways. I'm going to go 30 shares on this just because it is right there on the 200. This, if it drops, below this, it'll be done. But if it starts pushing back up, because it had a sell-off here and then came back up, so that was another sell-off and possibly a higher low. So if this ends up being a higher low, then this will be one hell of an entry. If I'm wrong, then it could drop, like I said, back down to 9. So, let's see, 30 shares. I could risk about $12 with a stop loss under 9. This is a pretty straight downtrend there. Oh, LEDS starting to pop up. Yeah, I missed that nice little U shape. This thing's wide open to go, though. Just put LEDS on the watch list. Little pullback there. I'm going. It's holding that support pretty well. We'll grab 10 more there. Looks like we're going to try to test 11. There we go. We're starting to break through 11. Can you get that breakthrough 11? 40. So Zev is over 951. Really, Daniel B, you made a fake account as Jesse Livermore? Nobody's gonna find that funny but you. It was a nice try, though. Yeah, SEQL is on that watch list for sure. ZEV is still pushing up. ZEV. Let's see, what is my average on LEDS? 1081. I like that average. That's not bad. Just got to break 11 here. We got 15 seconds, 10 seconds. Ooh, very nice close. If this can keep over 11, there we go. Let's see if it's going to start ripping or not. Get a nice spread. Still struggling with 11. See, I'm in at 1081. I'm going to put a stop loss in here to make sure that I get profit regardless. Not taking any damn unnecessary losses. It's the bottom of that candle. Let's see, 1088. I'm in at 1081, so we'll put it right at 1087. That ought to be all right. Now let's check on ZEV. Oh yeah, ZEV breaking that downtrend. Trying to push up. My entry there is 942. I'm going to give that a... Alright, LEDS. Break this 11. Let's go. Alright, well. Oh, I got 10 shares left. I forgot. I put a sell order in for 30. Keep an eye on that. So we got 2 minutes on this candle close. Jumping back in here real quick. It's trying to test 11 again. See if I can get 10 more there at that 1071 area. Yeah, okay, got 10 more there. So I got 50 total. If this candle can close above the VWAP, the next one we should see start to push up. But if it starts dropping any more than that, we don't want it to drop. It's starting to turn around a little bit. Don't want to drop below 1050. 30 seconds on this candle. Don't particularly like that close. Need to see buying come in here and push this up. This needs to push back up to that 11 area on this candle or the next. If it starts dropping any lower, that's going to be it. Oh, that damn bid keeps moving down. We need bids moving up. A lot of selling pressure here. Come on, you got to get back above that VWAP. Come on. Push up. I do not like that it is struggling to get back over 1050. It was really having issues. And getting back over the VWAP. 3 more minutes on this candle. It needs to get there. There we go. Starting to push back up. Ooh, ZEV's looking ugly now. That's alright. Still above my entry, so that's all that matters. I don't know. That doesn't look good. And Zev is back down on my entry. Everything kind of fell in here. So I'm missing something. Where's that 50-day at? That 50-day ought to be holding us some support. It's at 10.05. I'm gonna have to hop out of here. Oh God. Shouldn't have got back in when that didn't break. I should have known, but that's okay. Let's see. So if this sell-off is over or not. RHE. JXZN, nothing there. Pally. Don't care about Pally. NINX. Not doing anything. CWLT. Nothing there at the moment. AATC, nothing there at the moment. XTLB, nothing there at the moment. ACIU, that's a possible play. There we go. ZAB starting to push back up. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. Yeah, ZEV pushing back up. Very nice so far. How many did I got of that? Might want to add to that. I don't know yet. ACIU can break back above 12. That could possibly start moving. Oh yeah, ZEV is looking really nice, about to break 10. Just gonna put a stop loss here. Put right below those candles. Let's see, ZEV, can you break back up? Can you get over that $10 area? Oh yeah, nice push so far over $10. Testing, testing, testing. I just got stopped out on LADS, so that was a little $40 loss there. Just could not hold up. Looked really good there, but just that next candle just dying off. Oh well. We'll move on. So we are still getting rejected at 10. Let's see. Yeah, DATS. Yeah, I called DATS as a runner before it started even running. I was talking about DATS back here and made pretty decent profit on it. It's still climbing though. It's a nice IPO. Yeah, I was all over that boy. So anything else doing anything? RHE. Don't want to get back in your RHE. Not after that wick though, but maybe. Mm. Zev, there we go. ZEV trying to break through 10 again. Little double top there at 10 though, so I don't know if it'll break. We got a lot of time in this candle left yet. I'm gonna add 10 though. I had 10 shares, so I got 40. It just brings my entry up to 957 now. You can do it, just break. There you go. Come on, when you see bids stack 10 here. Stacky, stacky, stacky. Hey, up. Almost. See 10 starting to crack a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, nope, still not yet. A lot of sellers got taken out at 10 that time though. Now my one concern is this turns to head and shoulders pattern. If it, like this 1025 area is going to be really tough resistance. This is a cup and handle though, beautiful cup and handle. We give that a little time to shake and bake around. RHE coming back up. And I gotta take it. I can't get, I'm almost out of funds. So can I get 20 of it? Here, I'll just do this. RHE gonna test this triangle. My entry's at 1180. It's 25 shares. Let's try and test that 12. There it goes. Very nice. Keep pushing there, boy. Hold on just a second. We gotta break 12 here. Just like ZEV has to break 10, we gotta break 12. Both of these are dependent on those breakouts if they're gonna keep running or not. Another test of 12. Testing 12 hard here. Starting to break it. Bid starting to stack at 12 a little bit. Can they keep on? Come on. Come on. Keep in there. Start holding 12. There we go. Bid starting to stack a little bit. Oh, come on. You know you want it. Don't you let me down. Very nice so far. 12 still holding. 12 cracking again. 12 couldn't hold. So no breakout yet. That's a crooked line I drew. Let me put an actual line right there. There we go. Real quick, what's the SPY doing? SPY still selling off some. SPY not looking great. ACIU starting to pop up. Just broke this downtrend. Very nice move so far there. Still testing 12 here. Got 2.5 minutes left on this candle. Can you break? Do you have it in you to break? ZEV is testing 10. At the same time. Come on, let's see 12 on the ask. Come on. There you go. Come on, test. Ted, there we go. Very nice. Starting to push back over again. Right here in the last minute. Looks like we're either going to break on this candle or we're going to close as an indecision. Oh, no, there it goes. There it goes. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, RHE. Are you serious? And right back down under 12. It was looking good, and then it got pushed right back down. So it is probably going to be an indecision candle at this point. If it can close over 12, that is what we want, preferably. Alright, looks like we're going to close below. So it's going to be depending on this candle. If this candle can push green, break over 12, should be good to go. We're having a little pullback there, but there's the uptrend's right there, so having some issues breaking that 10 or 12. ZEV looks like it is very close to breaking. See what y'all talking about. Let's see. Trying to go back through here. Good morning, Dom. What's up, buddy? Nice, Donnell. Looks like we're going to give it a test here. Let's give it a test. Let's see this $10 break. Need to increase some buying volume. Yeah, alright, you gotta stay in this triangle at least. I don't like the bearish candle following that indecision, but it is in the triangle. ZV looks like good flavored hot dog water. We'll see. We shall see. RHE back up to 12, just like that. Oh, let's see. We're going to get the break here. Both of you two stocks are going to make me bang my head against the wall. You're taking forever to do something. Which one is going to break? Alright, RHE testing the 12 again. Let's go. Let's see it. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. I haven't seen the frisk in a while. I need some frisk. Need you stocks to get frisky for me. Alright, back to ZV. See if it can break 10. And gonna try to do it here. There's a good candle there. There we go. There we go. ZEV, do your thing. Oh, no. Back below 10. Alright, back over to RHE. Let's see if it tries to test 12 here. Oh, ZEV is actually breaking over 10. Looks like it's going to try to break very nicely. Got some bids at 10 stacking. That's a good sign. We need the $10 area to hold a support now. This is a strong resistance. Just trying this little hard out. $10.50 is going to be very strong. So I'm probably going to lock it out at $10.50 unless it starts to break. If we get up to $10.50, we're still struggling with damn 10. Look on some higher time frames here. Not bad looking. Oh, let's go back to the 5-minute. RHE's going to try to test 12 again. Starting to break 12. There you go. There you go. Come on. Keep pushing. ZEV back to testing 10. RHE starting to pop. See some resistance at 12.50. Getting held up at 12. Never mind. Just broke through 12.25 pretty easily. Very nice. Up to 12.50 through 12.50. Boy, that was a blast through 12.50. This thing might start exploding here in a second. There we go. Come on, you bad boy. Let's see you break 13. Let's see you break 13. You got it. You can do it. Almost there. Just getting held up in this 12.75 area. How's ZEV doing? ZEV a little pullback there. Daniel B, are you really talking about trading GameStop right now? Is that what you resorted to? It's like we may get another test of 13 here. I'm going to put a, let's see, what do I got? 40 shares. $9.57. That's still holding up all right, so keep holding that, but For a stop loss there at 960 in case it can't hold up there. Alright, RHE. Break 13 now. You know you want to. You've been building up for this moment. You want to break 13 and then 1330 or 1350 and make a brand new high. Come on, you bad boy. Break 13. Show me some frisk. You get real frisky for me. Back down under 1275. You dirty LEDS, how dare you come back up? Alright, RHE, gotta do the thing. Gotta break this 13. Oh, that's not a good cooking candle. A little pull back there, a little breather. I just get stopped out on. I got stopped out on Zev. Ugh. The $1 profit there, coming right back down. That's alright. It's better than taking a loss on it. I really thought that was going to try to break 10, but it couldn't. So I may have to lock out here on Oh no, that's the wrong play. Where the hell am I? RHE, yeah. Yep. I would not touch GameStop with a. I would not touch GameStop with Daniel B's fishing pole. That whole situation is a mess. All right, come on. You've tested 1275 long enough. It's time to test 13. Got 45 seconds for this candle to close. I'd like to see it pushing towards 13 before it closes. May have to lock it out if it doesn't break. Oh, you dirty scoundrel. Really, right before the close of this candle, you're going to drop? This candle has to push back over 1275. If this candle doesn't and starts pushing down, we're going to sell off here probably. My entry 1180. We just broke the downtrend. Yeah, there you go. Push back up, RHE. Let's see how the market looks. Ooh, market's turning a little bloody. SPY just kind of going sideways. Just bought 1K GameStop at 216. Boy, you're brave. Brave. That is a very bold move, Cotton. We'll see how it works out for you. Yeah, come on up. Come on. Push. This stock is up 1.7 million in float. It should be moving harder than this. Should be ripping. And it's just jingling its way up. It may be working its way up for a big build up before it breaks out. But I don't like this big build up. We need to stay. We need to start staying above 1250. I don't like it being below 1250. Yeah, exactly, Brian. One Life's talking crazy anyway. He didn't do that. He'd never do that. I don't know why he all of a sudden wanted to lie about buying a bunch of shares of GameStop. He knows damn well he ain't gonna do that. Yeah, hold that 1150. Don't get back below it. Let's hold this EMA here. Come on, you just need to get right over those bodies. Just right over there. Just push on up over that 1267 area. Day trading GameStop was fine. Buying a bunch of GameStop on a glorious magical mission to take down the Wall Street, not fine. They're going to get fined, but not fine. Let's see his 13 break here. Been waiting. Oh, thank you. Beautiful. Nice pop up so far. Come on. Yeah, let's come on. Push up to that 1350. Let's see that. Test that pre-market high. Come on. You're almost there. Oh, 1325 holding up at some resistance. Don't hold up his resistance. We just broke 13, so if this thing does not push up harder than this with this little tiny float, are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? Well, at least we're, yeah, okay, at least we're, the asks are staying over 13 and bids keep coming in at 13. It's basically trying to test 13 as support now. It was major resistance. Now it's trying to be support. And we want it to be support. And there we go. 13.25 is given it fits. We're going to test 13.25 again. Get a little resistance at 13.20. There we go. Let's see 13.25. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Push through 13.25. There you go. Come on. Let's go. Let's make a new high. Let's touch 13.50. Come on, boy. $13.25 still holding as resistance. $11.30 acting as a little resistance, but we're starting to push, buying, slowly increasing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I am going to take a 5-piece off here, so I've got 20 shares left. There we go. There we go. Over 13.30. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. You're 13 cents away. Come on. Do I need to sing? Is it singing time to the stocks? Now, I don't know if REHE needs singing. I think REHE needs some smooth talking. Well, it may not. Actually, let's wait for a smooth talking. We're almost there. There we go. Oh, right through that pre-market high. Don't like that wiki on that candle. We don't want to see it push down. Get back over 13.20. This candle's fixing to close. We got 30 seconds. We just hit a new high, so it is very possible we could pull back down. So I'm getting ready to lock this out. If it doesn't... There's a decent close. See if this candle can push up or not. I'm gonna lock 10 more out. So I got 10 left. I'm gonna see if 13 can hold. And I'll hold this last 10 shares. Maybe for a while. But I don't like how it's starting to pull down after hitting that high. It's not sure where it wants to go yet. A little indecision there. Alrighty, yeah, man. I know what's up. I sell when I want to sell. I do what I want. I'm gonna hold this 10. Hold this little 10 piece left. Little family bucket. As long as 13 holds up. Oh, 13 coming back down. Still testing on that. It's testing 13 now. I'm going to just put a stop loss on this last 10 shares. Right under 1275. Oh, yeah, well, that may be a problem if I'm trying to sell 40 shares and I ain't got it to sell. There we go. Alright, and I'm going to go take a quick little breather. If it cracks below that 10 adaptive, then it cracks. But if it can hold above 13, it'll be good to go. So I'll be right back, guys. Give me just a second. Ooh, boy, it's right at my stop loss. I'm probably going to get stopped out here. This is an indecision candle at that new high. Yep. And then followed by a red bearish candle. So that usually leads to a pullback. So 33 on that one. So 34. And then that loss on LEDS of 39. This is my BLIN swing. I'm still holding it. It's holding up the EMAs. Just waiting for it to break 6. As long as it holds above 5, I'm fine with that. But let's look. Let's look why I lost on this play versus these other plays. So RHE got in that first rip, bottom, sold up there after the indecision candle, followed by the red bearish candle. Got in here on the trend line, rode that up, sold it at the top. ZEV bought down here at the bottom, added a little more there, moving up. This one just couldn't break out, but still bought at the bottom. And then LEDS. The first entry was not bad on this candle pushing up. The second entry, though, however, I bought in a red candle. And this is actually, you look at this, it was a flat top. Right there, there's a double top across these two. But this is the one I lost on, this 40 shares, where it's sold back off. So the difference is this one already ripped. These other two had not, either had ripped, like RHE had not ripped, and then ZEV ripped, but I waited for a big pullback before I got in it. So LEDS, instead of this entry, I should have waited for it to come down and took the entry off of support of that 40 DMA if I was going to take another entry. So that's the difference. That's the difference between my wins and my one loss today is entries. So it's so important. That's why I stress it all the time, because I fail at it all the time. You want to be buying towards support, not up towards resistance. So yeah. Lauren, yeah, that was yesterday. That was yesterday. I sent you that after you had messaged me. I can do it. I can let's aim for, can you do 12? Twelve-ish, 12:30, something like that. That's Central my time. If you want to use Eastern, so that would be. Get my microphone in the way. Move that over there. You just got it 5 minutes ago. I don't know. I'm telling you, I sent it to you yesterday right after you messaged me because I wasn't going to be able to make that 12 o'clock. Now, RHE could still possibly keep running. It is holding up this trend line. As long as it holds this trend line, it will continue to be in play. But I am just out of capital, so I can't make any more trades. And that's the thing I don't like a lot about these stocks over $10 is it does require some capital. I mean, I wasn't going big position sizes. I was only going 30 and 40 shares, but you know, on a stock that's $12, or $10, that's 500, 600 bucks. So 1:30 your time. Okay, I'm gonna write it down and I'll make sure it happens. 12:30. Okay, so let's give away a membership to the website. I said I was going to do that. Let's do that. Let me think. How do I want to do it today? Let's just do it the drawing way. We'll just draw randomly. I was going to think of a question, but I don't feel like it. My brain does not want to deal with it. Oh man, this thing did not save my password or email. I don't know if I'm gonna, if I know. Let's see. New competition. Oh, hold on, go back now. They added a little feature here. I'm gonna see how that. Oh, come on. Let's see. Whoops. Oh, I turned on demand on. Let me turn that back off. Alright, I'm not going to do that the way I was going to do it. I'm going to do it the way that works, that I know for sure works. Alright, so let's see. See, what is it? 10:06 right now. We're going to go ahead and start it, and it's going to end. It's I don't want it at 12 a.m. What are you putting 12 a.m. for? Okay, it's just not going to change that. Never mind. Okay. We almost got this ready, guys. Hold on just a second. Thank you for being patient. They have like a bunch of different options here I gotta pick from. Why is it not showing me? Ah, okay, there we go. Got it. Got it. Bam. So, go to that link, follow the instructions to sign up, and we will do a drawing here in about 10-15 minutes for that membership. See, RHE pushing up to a new high while I was doing that, 1377, so still pushing. I wasn't showing my entries on that. Get a little glitchy there. It looks like what? The top gainer today, ACIU. ELYS. Oh, this just made a big pop up. Received its Washington, D.C. sports betting license. So they'll be able to actually start doing whatever it is that they're doing. Some type of gaming, technology, gambling type of deal. But that's good PR. It essentially just means they can start making money. So this could start popping here. You found a shot just sitting around? It's got shots chilling. Shots just hanging out. Come on, Thinkorswim. Stop glitching on me so bad. All I'm doing is just changing charts. ACIU, that thing just dumped. Let me see how it works. Yeah, all you do is log in. Once you've logged in, and make sure that you're entered. Yeah, I know I'm invalid. I'm not supposed to be in it. Where are you from? All right, cool. So we got 3 entries so far. 16 viewers, 3 entries. I know some of you are already on the site. You need to show me the first shirt. It's in the merch store. I do have a merch store on the website that you can access without being a member. It's open to the public. The Show Me the Fish shirt is in there in multiple different colors too. Y'all just don't hear me promote merch that much because, I mean, I like editing and designing things. Like, I love video editing. I don't love the process. Let me rephrase that. I love making the video after all the strenuous editing is done. The adding little things and stuff like that are fun, making little movies, but the actual editing my stupid vocals and all of that is really time consuming. But I like creating like the channel trailers and things like that, so I like creating the merch too. There's more than just there's some basic Framework Fortune shirts with a little Framework Fortune on the chest or whatever on the right side or left side. I can't remember which side I put it on. But there's some other stuff in the merch store that I've designed myself. And I'm going to continue to design some clothes and add them. Or coffee cups, whatever. Just so it's not basic merch, man. Oh, you just discovered it? Use, what is it? Here, hold on a second. Lauren, let me get you, there's a 10% off discount code on one of the videos. And I don't remember what the code is, but it's in the description. I know which video it's in, I just don't know what the code is. I don't remember. It's been a while. Where did you go? Did you go to the Cotton Eye Joe? Oh, I think I went too far. Alright, let me go back. Actually, there it is. Oh, the discount code is just Framework. Stupid me. Couldn't even remember that. How stupid am I? There you go. A 6-cup capacity coffee cup. Unfortunately, I don't have access to that big of coffee cups. Maybe one day. Maybe one day we'll have a giant coffee mug. LED. Really, LEDs? Look at that. LEDs coming back up. That's what I'm saying. Buying at the top or close to the top, not a good idea. Buying down close to support, good idea. Because even if it's cracks here, you just put a stop loss, you know, like if you bought it at 10 and you put a 10-cent stop loss, this would not have hit your stop. And then you'd still be in this, riding this up. But much better entry than trying to get in on this stupid candle. This is a bad entry. LEYS, this one's still pushing. Well, there's like 600 videos, and I knew it was only on one video. I don't think it's I don't have it in any other videos. That one. All right, we got 4 people. Very nice. We'll give this 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna do the drawing. So if you haven't signed up yet and you want a free 6-month membership to the website, be sure to go enter. All right, we'll just give it to 10:30. We'll give it 10 minutes. That seems good enough. Make a nice easy number. And soon we're gonna start doing some more, or we'll do another Bitcoin giveaway. Some strong resistance on this at 650. It looks like it's going to test 6. More than likely, I don't know. It may get hung up at 6. You can see where's all that resistance back through there. But I would expect some pretty strong selling pressure at 6 on that. LEDS not able to push for a new high a day. So LEDS is in a triangle pattern at the moment. ZV slowly creeping back up to 10. Re-break a 10. That one could be live again. I'm taking SSY off. It looks like trash. How's the swing trade watch list doing? Ox bar up 2%. Nothing out of that swing trade list yet. Yeah, basically the same stocks that's been on watch are the same stocks still on watch. So pushing up to 6 now. See, it's struggling just to get over 590. RHE needs to break over 13.65. If it doesn't break here, it could turn around and come back down. It looks like it's going to try. Yeah, LED is still getting rejected there. There it goes. Let's see. Is this RHE going to push for a new high? Getting held up at 1275. Let's see if it gets taken out. Looks like it might. Nope. Getting rejected off 1275 there, so that one still failing to break out. Both of them back into a little bit of consolidation. SPY sold off, but pushing back up again. The market must be, I don't know, it's still mixed. RHE getting rejected pretty hard. So let's go take a look at TradingView and look at some of the stuffs, see what's happening on other markets, and then we'll do the giveaway here. See, how's old Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin still going sideways. Ooh, Polkadot up to 30. Yes, sir. That's one of my positions. Love seeing that. Ooh, Cosmos just ran a 26. Love seeing that. So, altcoins are still hot. Still hot, hot, hot. So, crypto market's still looking nice. Yeah, buddy. Okay, so let's go look at the indexes and see what the US dollar is doing. US dollar another little pullback there. It's trying to build itself up. Nah, this doesn't look good. It's not look good at all. Gold still trying to hold over 1805. It got back up to 1825. But looks like it's going to hold 18 now. You got the 50-day and the 200 right there. Silver did push back over 24, but coming back down at the moment as the dollar is rebounding. It has a 50-day that it could bounce on. Oil. Oil's not looking good. It's got to break this downtrend. Looks like it's curling off of the downtrend. And then you see the US dollar is pretty weak against everything. God, look at the US dollar versus the euro. Oof. US dollar is getting killed by the ruble. Yeah, so we're still kind of looking pretty much the same as we was. Look at this. Look at this. This is the Dow Jones Index. That's COVID. That's the COVID drop. Since that COVID drop, straight up. And we're leaning as the higher we get. We're really starting to lean over. Boy, when this tree falls, it's going to fall hard. So that's pretty gross. See, I want to check one more crypto. ADA, you're still... Oh, you're consolidating. You're fine. All right. So, ELYS pushing closer to 6. LEDS falling back. RAHE did break over that 1375, pushing up to 14 now. Can it break 14? All right, give me just a second. I'll be right back. All right, let's pull out and do the drawing. So we got the one winner. Let's draw it. And drum roll. Lauren, you won. You did it, Lauren. Must be you. You said it was going to be one of those days. It's not, you're dealing with your ex and all that, some craziness, but hey, you won. So I will get you that membership set up and sent to you through your email. But you are the winner. So very nice. Congratulations. Glad you get to join the website and check that out. So don't worry if you didn't win today. We'll still be doing giveaways, and plus, like I said, it's only $2 a month if you pay up front for the year. So it's literally $25 a year. That is it. So if you do want to sign up or you're interested in it, go check it out. Just go check it out anyway, man. Just, it's a cool website. All you got to do is go to frameworkfortune.com. We just launched it here recently, so we're still working out things and adding things, taking away things. But I've got big plans, very big plans in the future. There's a new crypto, a new blockchain that allows creators to create their own tokens and coins. And it is backed by that coin's value. So the coins will have real value. They will be easily swappable and easily sellable. But what I want to do, and I've hinted to it before, but what I want to eventually do, besides just the learning and the forum and the watch list and things like that on the website, I want to turn the website and those coins, which I already am applied for, because they're not allowing anybody to create these coins. It's invite only, but I did apply because I do have a decent amount of subscribers on this channel, so it usually gets me in doors that aren't open for a lot of people. But if we get approved for that, and I'm able to make the fortune coin that I want, then we will be having a full-blown ecosystem with frameworkfortune.com. We will be starting. I'm going to say it this time, and then I'm going to not say it for a while until you guys forget again, because this is still a little ways off. but we will be starting a trading league. That's right. So Daniel B, One Life, you trash talkers always talking that trash. You're going to have your chance to prove yourselves and show everybody how good of traders you actually are. So that'll all be coming out eventually. Not sure when exactly yet, because that's going to take some effort and some money to do all of that. And I'm trying to stay focused on growing the community at the moment. I don't want to do anything that doesn't give value to the community, right? So that's why the coin would power the trading league, because not only would it be every traders competing monthly for prizes, but the prizes will be paid out in the Framework Fortune coin. So you'll be able to take the Framework Fortune coin and turn it to cash if you need to be, but there will be, I'm thinking of other options too, like affiliate links to the league and to the website. So if you are a member of the website and you're a coin holder, a Framework Fortune coin, you'll be able to take your affiliate link and post it everywhere, just like you can with Webull or Robinhood or whatever. And for when you get somebody to sign up, you will get a percentage of their membership paid out in Framework Fortune coin as well. Then the NFTs I would like to do, but I haven't figured out really something valuable I can make with the NFT. Like I can paint a picture if you guys want me to make you a picture and make it an NFT. But to me, that's just not that valuable. So there's a lot of different things you can do with NFTs, and I'll figure out something. I just haven't got that far. This is all plans in the works, but baby steps. We're taking our time. We got to build up. All this does take a lot of time, and it does take money to continue to do. So, and I don't charge anything besides $2 for the website a month, and if you buy a shirt for $20 or something, I make like $3 or $4 profit. So most of this is all funded by me outside of the channel. Well, it's all stuff. So the way I was going to do it, yeah, okay, I'll hit you up on Instagram. The way I was going to do it is percentage gain, because we can't do it by number gain or profit gain, because if somebody's using $100,000 account and they run up $10,000 wins every week, then nobody will be able to compete against somebody with that. So that's not fair. So I was thinking percentage gain on the account. So at the end of the month, whoever the top 3 traders with the highest percentage gains will get the payout of Framework Fortune coins. Yeah. There'll definitely be. Well, there's going to be a higher membership cost to be a league member, and that's going to go into the pool for the prizes. So every month, the top 3 highest percent gainers will get a split of the pool. So actually, Daniel B, it's not just you're going to trade to in a competition to be first. You want to be first because you're going to get more money. And if you don't want to do it, you don't have to, Daniel B, you know. Well, that's why we need framework fortune coin, Lauren, because cryptos aren't regulated. But it's not gambling either, because you would pay the monthly membership to be a league member, right? So, of course, part of that is going to go to cost, and then what's left over will go to the pool. But maybe it doesn't go to the pool. Maybe it goes in somewhere else, and then I just put the value of the pool in framework fortune coin every month. So not technically gambling. Yeah, no, it wouldn't be gambling, because you're not by paying a monthly membership to the trading league, you're not putting any money down to gamble. You're paying to be a part of the league and be a part of the website. But, you're not putting any money down for the prize pool, technically. I can pull the prize pool from anywhere. It doesn't have to be from the memberships. PBTS is going up. We'll take a look at it. So that's just some of the stuff that I've got in the works. Like I said, it probably will be next year before we get that far, because we just released the website and we're still building up the basics of the website. I mean, there's a full forum, but there's actually 2 forums on the website, and Hal and I didn't know which one to really go with, so we decided, because we want this to be a community project, a community home for everybody in Framework Fortune, all HH Traders people. I'm trying to get Liam from Confident and Crypto a part of that as well. So we've got plenty of information, plenty of info sharing. But yeah, there's 2 forum type things. One that's kind of set up like Reddit, and one that's set up like Instagram or Twitter or something. Well, maybe more of Facebook, I would say. More kind of like Facebook. But yeah, there's a lot. Now, if we don't get approved for Rally Coin for that to do that, I was still planning on doing this anyway. I was just going to put the Framework Fortune website on a blockchain, and maybe even have just its own blockchain, so that way we would have the coins to use. Oh yeah, get out of here, Lauren. Have a good day. We'll talk later. So yeah, if anybody has any questions, suggestions, or ideas, go ahead and get those in. Oh yeah, I was supposed to look at PBTS. And then I'm going to call it a day here in about 5 minutes. 5-10 minutes at the most. And there's also exclusive content on the website, some behind the scenes footage, some extra footage. We're always adding stuff to it. There's going to be constant updates to it. A lot of stuff. I have big plans for Framework Fortune for the future. But I need the community's help on these videos that, we put out, not necessarily the live streams, but the ones we put out, like Hal just put out the Fundrise video. Videos like that, we need those likes, shares, and comments to fire up that YouTube algorithm so we can grow this community bigger. Because the bigger the community gets, the more things we will be able to do. And there's a lot that I want to do and make this community a place where people can join from the community to the Framework Fortune Holdings company and be employed in different aspects, because I gotta employ a lot of people as this business grows. It's popping, but it's not got a lot of volume. It's only had 1 million in volume, about 48 million shares outstanding. It does look like it wants to try to run. My only problem is the 50-day is at 150, so it's got to break 150. Break a 150. It could move up to 175. Then maybe 2 at the 200 days. So there's a possible 25 to 50 cents in this, unless it goes absolutely nuts. So ELSY or ELYS did pop up 650, making a new high. RHE got rejected below the downtrend, but trying to come back up. ZEV selling off. LEDS, you dirty LEDS, you. Hitting a new high at 1128. Trying to confirm the breakout of this triangle. So you need to see it hold above 11. If for some reason it starts dropping back below 11, then this breakout will be a fake out breakout. So you need like this candle to hold above 11, then the next candle to start pushing above 11. And SPY still going sideways. Yeah, that's what I was saying. You got a lot of resistance to get ahead of here on the daily chart. And me personally, I've tried to stop trading stocks that are under the EMAs like this. That's why I traded ZEV because it had gapped above all EMAs. RHE above all EMAs. LEDS above all EMAs. Some of those just started breaking the day up over the EMAs, but still. And if I could have traded this, I would have. But this was above all EMAs too. Perfect little U-shape off of the 200 for that big break there. So, alright guys, I'm going to call it a day. We'll be back tomorrow for some more live stream day trading. I'm going to call Hal here in a little bit, check on him, make sure that hurricane didn't get any worse. Because I haven't heard from him this morning, and I'm assuming he's not streaming because I did not see him on Discord. But yeah, we'll be back tonight for the last rip episode. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. Stay safe out there. Until next time.